And a nice way to link that is CHO. Aldehydes is such a weird word. Hey Gr.12s, we're about to break down aldehydes and ketones for organic chemistry. Aldehydes and ketones are functional isomers of one another and have the same general formula. The reason this works is because of where the functional group is located. For an aldehyde, we have a CHO because our C double bond O is on the end, which means there have to be 4 lines around the C, and that's where an H can join, compared to a ketone over here, which has a CO because the C with the double bond O is in the middle, which means there are already 4 lines around it. So from there, we then get to the naming, because for an aldehyde, it ends with an Al, and that comes from our Al over there. And then a ketone ends with an one, and this comes from our one over there. At this stage, we look at the intermolecular forces they have, and they have weak London between the C's and the H's, and then dipole-dipole forces because they both have an O attached to the organic compound. From there, if we zoom in a bit, we can then look at the functional groups a bit closer and make a nice link, because for an aldehyde, our formyl group is CHO. And a nice way to link that is CHO. Aldehydes is such a weird word. But then with ketones, we only have a CO for our carbonyl group. And a nice way to link that is by turning our C into a G, because ketones in our body give us energy and help us go.